Do you feel that Temptation vibe? You see the video got the Motown look and everything. Paul, Temptations forever.
I heard you trapping and tapping this.
What's good, everybody? What's going down? Glad it's been that it vlog like, you know what I'm talking about, H-Time, Houston. You know how we do it, you know how I represent. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that. So you go ahead and stay abreast of all the content and then go ahead and go back to see all the previous content beforehand. Let's go ahead and get into tonight's episode. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my favorite Migo of them all. The coldest one, coldest flow, the one who stands out, the one who sets the tone, the cadence of majority of the songs. You already know who I'm talking about. Yeah, Takeoff. A lot of people know Quavo, and they consider Quavo. When I think of Quavo, I kind of think of Quavo like Destiny's Child, like the Beyonce, like the face, and just the first one that people think of. No, Takeoff is that nigga, and Takeoff is extra nice. They got a new album coming out, Culture 3. I saw a snippet from a hip hop journalist, Elliot Wilson, and he posted a piece of the video, their new single that they dropping called Avalanche, and it featured Takeoff, and this goes to show why Takeoff is the coldest and he the best Migo. If Takeoff ain't the best Migo, comment below. You tell me a verse, a song, or something that another Migo did that really stood out, that helped solidify them as a group and stamp them. Because if it ain't Takeoff, then I don't even know what you're talking about. Let's go ahead and get into it. You know what I'm talking about? Hey. I don't even say nothing. Cuban, two-tone. Do you feel that Temptation vibe? You see the video got the Motown look and everything. Paul, Temptations forever.
I heard you trapping and tapping this static. Tell you what, go get a new phone. I done got luck out the new home. Avalanche with the blue stone. I'm the can't find the fit. My niggas afraid to bring some rest. I bet you the kick and
the vibe. Cold 70s vibe that your daddy and your grandpappy, your papa used to listen to, riding in that old school, that old lack, that long body Buick Oldsmobile. Talking about
giving up kids, I'm giving up. You stand too long like you seen the ghost. So whip out the camera, take you up. So when you get home, get back on your phone. Zoom in on the flick and look at her. She asked me to pay for her to get love. I told her
you see the flow, the cadence. He like Chris Paul. Control the whole court, everything. It goes through him. He dishes out. He controls the tempo out the gate. Keep it on chill. Come on now. Off. Takeoff. Do we really need to discuss more? That was only 1 minute of Takeoff. Like T-shirt, blue cheese. He just went so ham on them songs. Takeoff has the best flow. Period. Nobody have a better flow. After Migos and Takeoff? Nah. Matter of fact, who has a better flow than Takeoff out of Atlanta? Let's be for real. Oh, okay, yeah. I thought somebody said something. Get it, your boy, Billy Daddy. I'm waiting on this whole video to drop. Cause when it drop, I gotta go ahead and do it. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, get it, your boy. Hey.